Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling adaptive connectivity on your Google Pixel phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the gear icon to open up settings on your phone and select the network and internet button. You want to go down and select adaptive connectivity. And if you want to turn it on, just toggle to the right so it should be on in the indication as you can see right here. Extends battery life and improves device performance by automatically managing your network connections. So you can see it has been turned on and we just went through a little description of what it is. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.